So it's come to our attention that some students have trouble with Turnitin because even after they've enrolled in their classes and created an account and done everything like that, they can't log in. There are two possible reasons for that. One is that you used the wrong email address in the first place, which hopefully you did not do, but a lot of people seem to be having trouble with it. The other is that you forgot your password. So let's fix that. Of course, first thing you should do is try to log in as yourself. If that doesn't work, I'll add a couple letters to my password. Don't save that. It'll bring you to this. It'll say that login failed. Please check your email address and password and try again. Make sure that you use the email address that is your first name dot last name and not the email address with the numbers in it. So what I would do is type in bill.grebe@salesianum.org and then type in my password again just to double check. If you forgot everything, you click Forgot Password. You type in your email address. Type in your name. You verify that everything is spelled properly. There's a list of my relatives for you if you wanted that. Once you do this, you'll click Next, and it'll take you to, well, that's not a real email address, so let's just use my real one for a moment here. And it'll take you to a security question. Mine happens to be about my mother's maiden name. Yours may be about your first job or your first car or something like that. You know the questions because you selected them off of a list. If you type in the answer to this, it'll bring you to a page where you have to type in a new password twice. I think the only requirement for a Turnitin password is that it be between 6 and 12 characters. If you do have a Mac device, it'll suggest a longer password. You won't actually be able to use that. Other than that, though, that's pretty much all of it. When you get through that, your password will be reset. It will send you an email telling you that you've reset it, and you'll be all set to log in. If this doesn't work, for example, if you used this email address and it brought you to this page, it says the email combination you entered is not in our system. That means you did sign up with the wrong email address. What you should do is not create another account. Please do not do that. Every account that you create, in addition to the one you should have, makes it harder for someone else to get an account at all. If you have 2, somebody's got 0 is the main idea here. What you should do is go to a teacher in a course you have enrolled in and ask that teacher to show you which email address you used to do so. They will be able to see that by looking at their course roster. If you use the wrong one, they'll be able to help you correct that. If you use the right one and just misspelled that, we'll be able to help you correct that too. All that is to say, do not create another account if you're having trouble with your password. Once you're in, of course, you know how it works. So once you log in, it will bring you to the student page. I get taken to a teacher page, obviously, but there's the student page, and you'll recognize that right away. And you already know how to hand stuff in and everything like that. If you don't, I do have a couple of videos about that too. Good luck, gentlemen.